Do you want to maintain a good body? Are you striving for a healthier lifestyle? Having a good body is more than just looking great, it's about feeling great too. It contributes to our overall health and well-being, giving us increased energy, improved moods, and better sleep. But remember, it's not just about appearances. A good body symbolizes a healthy, long life. It's a reflection of your dedication to your own well-being. Achieving and maintaining a good body is a journey, not a destination. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. The first step towards maintaining a good body is incorporating regular exercise into your routine. Let's delve a bit deeper into this. You see, regular exercise is not just about shedding those extra pounds or building muscles. It's about embracing a lifestyle that promotes overall physical well-being, enhancing cardiovascular health, boosting your mood, and even improving sleep quality. There are various types of exercises that you can incorporate into your routine. Cardio exercises, for instance, are great for burning calories and improving heart health. They involve activities that get your heart rate up, such as running, cycling, or even dancing. Strength training, on the other hand, focuses on building and toning muscles. This can be achieved through weightlifting, resistance band exercises, or bodyweight workouts. Regular strength training can help increase your metabolic rate, making your body more efficient at burning calories even at rest. Lastly, we have flexibility exercises. These include activities such as yoga or stretching routines. Flexibility exercises are essential for maintaining a full range of motion in the joints, reducing muscle stiffness and preventing injuries. But remember, the most effective exercise routine is one that you can maintain consistently. It doesn't have to be overly intense or time-consuming. Start with small, manageable goals and gradually increase the intensity and duration as your fitness improves. Patience is key here. Real, lasting results take time. Remember, the key is to find an exercise routine you enjoy and can stick with in the long run. Exercise alone is not enough. What you eat plays a significant role in maintaining a good body. Now let's dive into the realm of nutrition and explore the importance of a balanced diet. Balance is the key to life, and it's no different when it comes to your diet. It's like a mosaic, with each food group playing a crucial role. Let's break these down. Firstly, proteins. They are the building blocks of life, vital for muscle repair and growth. They are not just for meat eaters. Vegetarians, you have numerous sources too, like lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa. Make sure you have a good variety to cover all essential amino acids. Next up, carbohydrates. They are your body's primary source of energy. Whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy and keep you feeling fuller for longer. Don't fear carbs, just choose wisely. And lastly, fats. Yes, you heard it right. Fats are essential. They support cell growth and protect your organs, but not all fats are created equal. Opt for healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds rather than processed ones. A balanced diet also includes plenty of fruits and vegetables for vitamins and minerals. And don't forget hydration. Water is crucial for every bodily function. So, think of your diet as a colorful plate, a mix of different food groups. It's a game of balance, not elimination. Remember, it's not about restricting foods, but rather about making healthier choices. The third and final step is often overlooked, but equally important: rest and recovery. In the whirlwind of workouts and diet plans, it's easy to forget that our bodies also need downtime. This is the period when the magic of transformation happens. As we sleep or take a break from our rigorous routines, our bodies are hard at work, repairing and rebuilding tissues, especially the ones you've stressed during your exercise. Imagine your body as a construction site. Exercise is the demolition crew, breaking down old, weaker parts of your muscles. The food you eat acts as the raw materials for the new construction. But the actual building, that's all done during rest and recovery. Adequate rest allows your muscles, nerves, bones, and connective tissues time to rebuild. This process is crucial because it strengthens your body, increases muscle, and reduces the risk of injury. But remember, rest doesn't mean you should slump on the couch all day. Active recovery, like light walks or gentle yoga, can promote blood flow and aid in recovery, helping to make your body stronger. Sleep too plays a pivotal role. It's during those quiet hours of slumber that growth hormones do their job of repairing and rebuilding your muscles. So, don't skimp on your zizzes. So there you have it. Exercise, eat well, and rest. These are the 3 key steps to maintaining a good body. Maintaining a good body may seem challenging, but with consistency and patience, it's absolutely achievable. Let's recap, shall we? Commit to a regular exercise routine, nourish your body with a balanced diet, and don't forget to give yourself some well-deserved rest. This 3-step process is your roadmap to health and fitness. Embrace it and make it a part of your lifestyle. So, are you ready to take the first step towards a healthier, fitter you? Start today and remember, every little bit counts.